Okay, so the short version of Virginia International Raceway in the MX5 Rookie Series. Should have qualified a bit higher. I had an off track on my fastest lap.
Green flag, green
Not
flag.
as quick as the pole man. He was really quick. Unbelievably so, actually. Although I don't know what he's doing because he's swooping across the track quite a bit for some reason. It's going to be quite interesting. I think this is going to be one of those races where there's lots of robust attacking and defending. Just get that feeling. Got someone on our inside.
Clear on the left. Car on your left.
Okay.
Clear.
Well, we qualified 6th. I think we're 6th at the moment, so we haven't lost anything.
Car on your left. Clear.
He was looking for a move, wasn't he? Blimey. Yeah, I do get the feeling there's going to be what the hell's going on?
Fucking hell.
I don't know what's going on here. People braking in the wrong place and all sorts of stuff. I don't know what's going on.
Still there.
Well, let him go.
Clear.
I just want to get through without getting killed, really. To my last experience of this track, although it was the longer version in the multi-class. With the advanced setup, this is the basic setup, which is not as good, I don't think. Okay, there's one. Problem is, he's lost momentum.
Clear.
That guy was going for a move where there was no room, really. He's gone off. What's going on here? I mean, this is rookies, but they're all pretty quick. I don't know why this guy's going slow.
Right side. Clear.
He got a penalty or something. He's caused an accident by going slow there. There's 2 cars behind, took avoiding action and went off. Some others had gone off behind. What the hell's going on here? Yeah, he had a slowdown. Okay. But it caused mayhem. Oh my god. Right, we're 4th anyway. Like I said, I should have qualified better. I had an off track on my best lap, so I've got a bit more pace than my qualifying position shows, but not as quick as the pole guy. But I think he's gone off, hasn't he? Or I don't know. No, Harrison, he was the pole guy, so he was really, really quick. Like a good half second ahead of everyone else. Yeah, for braking a bit late there, I think. So this guy behind, Tobias, seems pretty quick. He's going to be with us, I think. Let's just see if we can keep with them. Now we've got a decent bit of clear space. What that yellow car's doing. This is where I had my off track. I took too much on that right hand corner. Okay, and he just stayed on that. Let's get the slipstream if we can. Harrison seems pretty quick, the guy in front. I think he's going to get away. I think it's going to be a fight for second.
6.407.
Oh, she did well to get there. Well, I was going to say he got through, but he didn't get stopped. So he had to give it up again. And that's going to slow us up, isn't it? So Harrison's going to get away, I think. And he's quick anyway. So they come down to first. Is that an off track? Yeah, I thought it would be.
You got a penalty for cutting the cord.
Penalty? Oh, God. How am I going to do this, then? I have to do it up the hill, aren't I? So I can't afford too much of a slowdown. Bugger. Let's yield. I don't want to get disqualified. Let's yield. He's going to drag me back up, so I think I'll be back with them. I cannot afford a disqualification. I've done that in the past. Tried to be clever and ended up getting disqualified. No point. So I think he was catching anyway. No one behind. I'll use him to drag me up to them. It's all about thinking sometimes. It's not just about how fast you drive, is it? You got to get your tactics right too. So it's keeping his slipstream. Guys ahead are going pretty quick though. I've got nothing behind. I have now because somebody's just coming out of the pit, so it looks at it.
886. The car in P2 just set the fastest lap.
Is that a back marker?
0.891.
Yeah, I think we've got a back marker. Daniel Hernandez. Hopefully move out of the way, unlike that other guy we had in the last race. We'll see, won't we? He's also a blinker. That's just what we wanted. God. Can't make it up, can you? Blinking back marker. Is he going to move out of the way?
Go right.
Looks like it.
Go right.
Well done. Thank you. That was, I guess, a good move. Good place to go, actually, out of the way there. He's not on the straight. Oh, we caught this guy up again. We just need him to catch these guys ahead if we can. Be nice. This is the hardest bit of the track, I find, getting that right. I'm getting better at it, I think, in all the cars I come here in now. So not too bad in the MX5. We're not going that quick, are we, really? 35 is where pole was. We couldn't do that. Okay, well, I'll give him a lap to catch up. And hopefully he will. Because he was catching us, so he should be quick.
5 minutes to go.
Is he going to catch up or not? I don't know. I feel like I can go by him. Feeling a bit slow. I mean, he's done a quicker lap than me, so maybe he had a slowdown. Feels a bit slow. We're fifth. We need to be...
There's an incident ahead. Car stopped on the right.
Oh.
The leader's gone off. Go left. The next car's the leader.
Wow. Quite a mistake to make then if you're leading, that is. Blimey. Okay, well, we can get by him. We're third. I think we'll have to go for it, because I think we're quicker than him. He's braking really early there, isn't he? Thought he'd go quicker than this. It's just where can we get by? Still recovering from the flu. Did a lot better than I did. I was at work last week. Staying away again in the hotel. I'm looking forward to stopping doing that, I tell you.
In fourth position. Car on your left. Car 10 is now leading.
Well, I wasn't
Stay on the right.
particularly going for a move there, but he braked so early. Okay, well. Go after him then. They're battling, so I think we're going to catch them pretty quick. We're getting away from Tobias. Why was he so slow then? Yeah, we're in the 37s lap. More in the 37s. Got to watch out for the leader coming through because he was so quick. I don't know how close he is to us. Whether he is going to catch us or not, I don't know.
The next car's the leader.
Well, it's not. Next car's second place. I don't know why he's saying that. Get the point. We're close to the leaders anyway. But they're not battling anymore, are they? So they've sped up a little bit. We're going a bit quicker. 2 seconds behind. Can I catch them? I need them to battle. That's what we need.
36.835. You're now in third. The leader just did a 37.34.
Yeah, we can go quicker than that. I think. Decent line through there, I think. So Tobias is keeping with us now, isn't he? I think he was just struggling. Well, I don't know what he was doing. Maybe he was going so slow. Are we closing? I think we are. We were 2 seconds behind, weren't we? We're now second and a bit, second and a half. Bias is right there, that. Haven't dropped him too much. Oh, didn't think I was going to make that.
Last lap.
Okay, last lap. We're less than a second, so we're in the slipstream. Are these two going to battle enough to bring me into it? What do we reckon?
6.535.
I don't know what he said. Don't know who he was talking to. I'm going to keep on pushing. Right with them, aren't we? Right with them. Have we got enough though? No. It's going to take a move from them. I don't think I'm going to get by on my own. Not safely anyway.
Dickhead, dickhead.
Oh, somebody's not happy. Don't know what's happened, but somebody's not happy. So, I mean, we're closing. I don't think we've got enough though, have we? When we're close, we haven't quite got enough. I think the line comes up here, doesn't it? Well, not bad. Okay. Good. Well, I enjoyed that. That was a good race.
Checkered flag, checkered.
No incident. Well, yeah, 1x, so nothing too much. Let's get off and have a look at all those incidents at the start. Okay, here's the start then. So there's somebody missing on our right, but we got away okay. Yeah, I don't know what the leader was doing, why he suddenly felt the need to defend straight away. It did cause quite a few issues for everyone, didn't it? Not sure what that was all about. Anyway, and we got behind. So what have we got here then? Just yeah, just left his nose in. Why do people do that? They know what they're doing. Then we got the leader, so I don't know if he had a slowdown or what, but everything got sort of backed up. People tapping each other. I think we're on the right-hand side. They're bump drafting. I don't know if he's trying to lose some time or what, but it was all a bit of a mess. And then we've got, so he's got a penalty, this guy, so these two get together because of it. Oh dear, it was a right old mess, wasn't it? I like his, he's got a Merry Christmas. Oh gosh, where's he going? Oh my God. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, he's forgotten to brake. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yeah, in the pits. What's this thing? Just kind of, yeah, probably came down one too many gears, I think. I think second is better through there. And this is the leader, isn't it? Just got it wrong. Just got it wrong. Unlucky. And then we came through. I thought he was going to hit me there. There we go. Well, yeah, happens, doesn't it? And he's just got his braking wrong as well. Yeah, too much at the end of the straight. Now, what have we got? An unsafe rejoin? Yeah. I think both are to blame for that. And that was it. Okay, well, eventful race. Let's have a look at the results. Okay, so that was third split out of 19. That was a really popular race today on a Saturday. Got some safety rating, which I'm pleased about, coming out of that. And got some I rating as well, so back up to 1700. Be nice to get up to 2K. Fastest laps in 35.8. That must have been with a slipstream 35.9. I did a 36.4. Yeah, could have gone a bit quicker probably, but yeah, happy with that. I think from where we started 6th, finished 3rd. I was car 1, so I guess my ranking means I should have been up there, but yeah, good. And then Harrison, he did a 35.9. He was really quick, but clearly couldn't deliver in the race. Anyway, I enjoyed that. I hope you did too. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.